Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear friends, in this video, I am going to explain what care need to be taken for less mortality rate in sheep flock. First of all, every care has to be taken to see that mortality rate is less than 5% for good profits. Sometimes it may be up to 10%, but not more than that. To ensure that the mortality rate is less than 10%, provide the colostrum milk as much as you can. Protect sheep lambs from too much heat, too much cold. So, taking action for deworming thrice in a year and monitoring of vaccination at appropriate time also protects sheep flock. Inshallah, I will tell further details in disease management section briefly. Further, hanging of mineral brick in shed at different places also protects the sheep flock, because mineral deficiency also one of the reason for mortality rate. If these kinds of precautions are taken, mortality rate will be less and profit will be high in this lucrative business. So please take all care and earn high profits. All the best. Thank you very much.